Welcome to Bold SnapReporter. This video is part 7, Advanced Topics. The purpose of this video is to explain how to add data to an existing report and show how Manitou can display binary objects such as pictures. We've worked very hard on creating reports, and you may find using the Control-Click method that you're able to get just the report that you want. However, once you create a report, you may find that the customer or management to whom the report is being sent asks for one more bit of information. This may even include pictures that are stored in Manitou. In this section, we will add data to existing reports and show how pictures can be added. First, locate the icon on desktop labeled SnapReporter and double-click. Since we created a data source in part 2, we need to connect to it. If you are not connected to a data source, simply click on the name of the data source on the left and enter your Manitou username and password. As a reminder, you must have permissions to use Supervisor Workstation to be able to log in and begin using the SnapReporter. For this example, we will begin by inserting a new row of information into the existing report. We're going to add the floor plan layer description, just below the contact list details. To accomplish this, locate in the docking panel under the Customer section the subsection labeled Customer Plans. Under Customer Plans, locate the data item labeled Plans, Layer, Description, and click once to highlight it. When you drag it into the editing surface, you must be cautious where you drop the item. Hold the mouse button down and move around within the report until a blue line appears just below the contact list details for one customer. When the blue line is present, release the mouse button. What you should see is new data being added to the Customer section detailing a list of all the floor plan layer descriptions. Having the blue line appear when dragging onto an existing report is very important. If you don't have the blue line displayed, the report is less predictably going to format the report. It may be what you want, or you may be able to fix up what you want, but it may be totally wrong. If you do have this, undo and retry it until you are able to get it to appear just the way you want it. Now that we have floor plan layer descriptions, we want to add the floor plans that go along with them. To begin, it is easiest to create a blank row beneath each layer description. Right-click inside one of the layer descriptions and select the Insert sub-menu. From the sub-menu, select Rows below. You will now see a blank line just below the layer description. From the docking panel, select the item labeled Plans Picture and drag it to the blank area. When dropped into that blank in the report editing surface, the floor plan pictures will appear beneath the respective descriptions. Click inside the similar row of another customer to get these changes to apply to the other customers. As always, save your report to finish this process. This concludes the SnapReporter series. We hope you found this informative and instructive. Thank you so much for joining us.